What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. Y'all see the burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, man. If you bought one, man, check your mailbox. It might just be in there waiting on you to go grab that thing, man. But all the hats are pretty much shipped out at the time you guys see this video, man. So I can't wait. I want to give a shout out there to everybody out there that supported Everything's Regular in any form of fashion. You followed the channel, you subscribe, you liked the video, you purchased the hat, man. I appreciate you guys. Without you guys, none of this stuff will be possible. Meanwhile, our giveaway for our 2020 Road Glide back here and our 2014 Road King is complete. At this point, we literally got about 5 hats, but I know when I drop the video, it's pretty much a given to be sold out, more or less. So if it's not, I'll let you guys know. But as of right now, it's looking like it's going to be sold out by the time you guys see this video. So I can't wait to see where these things is going. Meanwhile, I did get a chance to take a final ride on our 2020 Road Glide the other day. It was freaking flying down the freeway. Love that thing. Meanwhile, I think today is going to be all about our 2017 Black Widow bike. I'm going to take a first ride on this thing with you guys, and then we're going to check it out, see how it's riding, rolling. I know it's already looking good, so can't wait to get there. Meanwhile, I got to go drop off the last little bit of orders. So that's pretty much where we're going to be riding to. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. You guys know the giveaway for the 2020 Road Glide and our 14 Road King is going to be in a couple days or so. You guys could have already guessed it, man. You guys see our 2017 Road Glide back there, the Black Widow. Yes, it is going up for grabs right now, man. All you got to do is click the link in the bio. Go get you a black and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Yes, we are giving away our 2017 Road Glide special in the black and red on them daddies back there, man. I can't wait. Go head over to everythingsregular.com, copy you a black and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, we're about to get a first ride on this 2017 Road Glide, and then after that, I'm pretty much be taking it to Harley to go get a cam and all that good stuff, man. I need this thing powerful. I want it sounding good, because I know when you guys ride it, I want that thing perfect and in tip-top shape, man. So we're definitely going to be taking that to Harley after we get our first ride in to get the cam and the performance stuff and all that good stuff, dyno tune, everything, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. If you guys did order a burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, it should be to you if you don't got it in the mail already, man. So stay tuned and let's get it together. Now, I ain't going to even hold y'all. I rode this red thing. I rode the red bike for the first time the other day. Really, really nice riding bike. Got to get a regular seat for it, man. I had that seat that was on the 2020 on for it. I don't really care too much for the solo seat. I know some of you guys do. The choice is yours whenever you win it, but this will be next up for grabs, man. All you got to do is go over to Everything's Regular, copy you a black and white Everything's Regular hat, and you can be entered in to win my Black Widow Road Glide right here. Meanwhile, we're about to pull this thing out, get a seat on it. The windshield has came. We're waiting on one little turn signal part, and that should be here tomorrow. So after we get that thing on there, we'll be taking it to Harley, dropping it off, picking it up right after Christmas, and this thing will be pretty much good to go, man. So I can't wait. But let's see if we can get this thing pulled out, get the camera set up, and get everything going with this thing. Our garage is kind of dirty right now, but it's all good, man. I got to put the 2020 back in there because this is one of y'all bikes. As of now, we're pretty much sold out, man. So let's see. Alrighty, guys, we got this thing pulled out. Got our camera set up. I'm about to tune y'all into the GoPro in a second. But before we do that, you guys already know we got to get that done. Pretty subtle today. Pretty subtle today, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. Yes, sir. It's time to go up, man. We about to slide, man. I'm about to throw y'all on the GoPro, dog. Let's get it. Oh, thank you.
Check out your bike.
Appreciate it, bro. Good looking out. Just like that, guys, man, we got caught up in the rain and some more stuff. It wasn't that bad. The ground was just like really slippery, man. But all in all, things sounds good. Rides amazing. I just can't wait to get this thing on some dry concrete and get this cam installed, and then this thing will be freaking more of a beast, man. So if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for this black and red Black Widow 2017 Road Glide, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Cop you a black and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Like I said, guys, our 2020 and our 2014 is already sold out, man. The list is probably right now on the community post section of my YouTube, man. So head over there right now, check out the list. Meanwhile, these things are sold out, and I can't wait to see where these things going, man. So let me know right now in the comments below where these bikes is headed to. Meanwhile, really good fun ride on the 17, man. What did you guys think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. Can't wait, dog. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys. If you guys ordered a burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, man, check your mailbox, man. The hat might already be there. I can't wait to see where these two bikes are going. Yes, our 2020 Road Glide and our 2014 Road King, man, they're both are headed out of here as our hats are all sold out, man. I can't wait. If you guys missed out on this one, it's never the end of the road, man. You guys know we got our 2017 Black Widow back there that everybody likes so much, man. Yes, the black and red Road Glide is up for grabs, man. All you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com, cop you a black and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, next on our list, we will be seeing where these things going, so I can't wait. If you guys order the hat, man, let me know where this thing is going or these bikes is headed in the comments below. I can't wait. In the meantime, man, if you guys haven't seen the list, head over to my community post and check the list out. The giveaway is sold out. So if you purchase the hat, your name is on the list, man. Double check it, triple check it. If you haven't found your name, you don't have to email me. Everybody's name is on there. Double check, triple check. So make sure you check, man. Can't wait. In the meantime, if you guys haven't though, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.